Hey, what's going on?
Oh, man, I locked the keys in my car.
You locked the keys in your car?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, wow. Yeah, they're right there.
There. I can't
Oh,
open it.
no. Okay, you know what? Wait. You got some stuff in your car, right, that can do this?
Yeah, I think I do.
Yeah, that bad boy's locked.
I
So
know.
if you ever get in trouble, just get 4 quarters. You want to apply them right over this little hole right here. And you want to go ahead and cover them up. 4 quarters are good because they cover up the entire hole, but you can use other coins, but they're not as efficient. 4 quarters will always work. You want to go ahead and put them over there. I'm going to go ahead and take the spoon.
Oh.
I'm going to just use the back of it. And I need to just put some pressure onto the coins and get them to hold and stay in just one place. Now your car is a little more smooth, so I got to be a little more precise on that. But yeah, right there. That's good.
In the middle?
Right there in the middle.
Okay.
I'm gonna apply some heat. Just a little bit of heat.
Wow.
And with this, it's creating warm air. And the warm air is gonna open up your door by creating a suction cup.
Wow.
Right? So the warm air is building up in between the car door. So when I go to pull it open, it should just pop right on open when I drop the coins. So if I keep applying the heat and keep it there and just keep going and keep going, the air should heat up enough in between the car door and the quarters to where when I drop the quarters, we should get the door right on open. Yeah, that's good.
Crazy. It's so cool, honestly. I have never seen anything like this.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Yeah, my dad taught me this when I was a kid to get the car door open. So
Really?
yeah, nice little way to kind of make sure you never get yourself locked outside your car. Worst case scenario, you do this, you have a little bit of burn marks on your car, but it's okay. Nothing too bad. So
At least it's gonna unlock my car and get my keys. Like, otherwise I'm stuck.
yeah, wait, were you coming out to your apartment?
Yeah.
Okay.
I was planning to see with my friend. It's her birthday, so yeah, they're waiting for me. I mean, what can I do?
Yeah. Okay. Well, hold up. I'm gonna just put a little bit more heat. Ooh, it's hot. Okay. Okay, let that cool off. There we go. Keep going. It should be good. I'm starting to feel it like starting to suck onto that last coin in there, right? So the first coin that's on the hole is gonna suck onto, and when it sucks onto that coin, it should be good. So, should be good.
Okay.
Here we go. This I'm almost done. And it should work.
Be careful not to burn.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna let that hot air build up. Okay. Okay. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop it. Here we go. I gotta make sure I pull the car door at the same time. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Perfect. Wow.